and welcome to the second official Lighthouse podcast session. My name is Sarah Arshad, and today I'm here with
Ahmed Abdullah.
Maya Shoaib.
Maha Masood.
Dua Farooq.
Anamta Heather.
Omama Asif Bernie.
And yours truly, Umar Sheikh.
and our official topic for today is conspiracy theories. So let's just get into it.
So,
I
does
agree.
anyone have any fun conspiracy theories that we can talk about?
Fun.
Oh yeah, I have a list, but like,
Is the earth flat, guys?
No.
No.
Oh, what
Okay, so this is the one we're starting with. Is the Earth
Flat
flat?
Earth
Really?
right now.
I don't know, I couldn't think of anything better.
Like, okay, you
Acha,
can
first
ask
of all, who
every
here
time.
believes that the world is actually flat?
No.
I don't think anyone here
Not
has that
me.
much background.
I mean,
Not
if
yet.
any one of you does, come on.
I've had an encounter with this character. I have to say I lost most of my brain cells in that encounter. That was just why I'm so stupid right now.
Please elaborate.
Talk about your encounter with Flat Earther, and then I'll talk about
Please
mine.
tell us about that flat earther.
No, the thing is, it's so stupid because their reasoning was also really stupid.
That's kind of the point of arguing with
Yeah,
flat
so like,
earthers.
tell us the reasoning.
No. So basically, it wasn't anything science related, right? So I was just talking about how stupid it is that some people think that the Earth is flat, and she just like pokes me on my shoulder. She's like, "I believe that the Earth is flat," and I'm like, okay,
Can we
why?
get context? Which setting was this in?
In a classroom, right? And
Okay, well.
But the best place to tell someone that the Earth is flat, where you go to study.
but the thing
Badly
is,
not.
her reasoning was that she saw Shane Dawson's conspiracy theory videos and she believed all of it. And she was like, dude, the earth is flat. When you look at a horizon, it's like this. And I'm like, shut up. Simplest.
God.
Oh my god.
Like, people
That's
actually.
still better than the reasoning I got, because when I was like, why do you believe in the flat earth theory? He was like, because all the pictures sent from NASA about the earth are fake. If the earth was curved, we would see it curve. And I tried to explain how the earth is like millions and millions of miles huge. And he was like, no, it's not. It's flat. You will fall off the edge.
Can I
And then he
say
went on to say that he would, after he graduated from high school, try and go and fall off the edge of the earth to prove this.
Oh God.
Acha, listen, first of all, these people who claim that the pictures were faked by NASA, how could they not realize that an agency, NASA, which is actually global, so yeah, it's all around the globe. So like, if you don't, agar US or Russia, they already don't have a connection with each other, a good relationship, for example, how do they expect each other to uphold that lie from 7 billion people, and they have workers with them who could, like, anybody could leak that information. Secondly, the fact that we would see it curve, bro, we could
No.
possibly not see it curve because of the distance it
I've been
curves.
trying to explain this to them. It doesn't work.
It's like when you open a compass, when you open it chota sa, you turn it around, you see a pretty evident curve. But if you like stretch it all the way out, you're gonna see a like बहुत ही छोटा curve, and the Earth is like
Dude.
huge.
It's
Dude,
stupid.
I met a flat earther and their reason was like insane. They said to me that the earth is flat because in the Big Bang theory, the earth wouldn't have been left circular. And I was like, what does that even mean? What are you trying
So
to
like
imply?
the Big Bang theory left every planet except for the Earth flat.
Exactly. I was like, what?
You know what? I'm actually flat earther now. I take all that back.
I've seen a documentary about flat earthers. Actually, half of the documentary because I couldn't go through all of it.
I want to documentary.
They
I don't have enough brain cells to lose. Yeah, I can't go through any of it.
That's true.
There are people disbelieving NASA. There's people who believe the moon landing was fake. Opinions on that.
Why
You
not
know,
just
I
believe
kind
the
of do
square
think
root
it
is
was
fake?
fake.
Oh my god, really?
I don't think it's fake.
My teacher told me it was fake.
I think it's fake.
I also think it's
You know, the Earth is fake.
You know, there are
We live in a
like,
matrix.
evidence that it could
Of course
be
we
fake,
do.
but like,
Earth
I'm not
is fake.
sure.
You guys believe in the moon?
Who believes in the moon? Bro, pigeons don't exist, man. Pigeons
Oh my
what? Birds
Okay,
don't exist.
I'll be very honest though. Like, people say the moon landing's fake, but like you can't fake something that real.
Yeah, that's true.
Like
can't fake
if
something
you
that
go
Yeah,
back
wait,
to
let me
the
just-
point where like the first rocket was launched and we didn't have the technology at that time to fake something that big.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, we still
If it was
don't.
now,
Thing is, if we
No,
don't
it's
have the
been
technology
proven.
to fake it, did we have the technology to go to the moon and come back?
Yeah, listen about
Yeah,
that.
we-
I watched an episode, and you guys should do it. Adam Ruins Everything. If you guys know about college humor, so he made a video on this, and it was actually detailed with a lot of numbers and facts. So, in that, he stated at that time the technology used to fake the moon landing would have been way more expensive than the actual moon landing
that
would
is
be.
true,
Huh,
yeah.
because देखो
They did not have advanced technologies, nor did they have green screens, and the shadow cast करने की technology would require large laser beams.
because देखो even if you could somehow, I mean now you can obviously fake the moon landing very easily. उस वक्त the amount of investments you had in aerodynamics and thermodynamics was insane, and when you look at the faking of it all, you'd require more software related technology rather than hardware related technology, and hardware related technology is easier to come by and has much more
Yeah.
specialists in it. और उस वक्त we struggled to have mobile phones, like they
Yeah,
weren't a
yeah.
thing. So moon landing is fake.
Plus,
Yeah.
we brought back
Go, Mike.
rocks, people. We brought back rocks from the moon. Those rocks did not exist on Earth. We had dust samples from the moon.
But if they
They
think
weren't
that
recorded.
the moon landing is fake, of course they're gonna think that you painted a bunch of regular rocks, different color or whatever.
Yeah, and then there's
Yeah,
like,
honestly.
There's no point in trying to explain to these
That's
people.
I think the
these
best part about
things.
conspiracy theories. You can't explain them. Like you can't make people change their mind even if you use
Yeah,
valid
exactly.
reasoning.
The thing is, I've noticed.
Wait, but out of all of us, who actually believes that the moon landing was actually fake?
I don't, I think it's real.
My teacher believed it
Okay,
was
so only
fake.
Anamta.
She actually taught it. She had an entire class on it.
Who has?
Oh,
My teacher,
Okay.
my like 4th grade teacher, she said कि ना moon पे gravity बहुत कम होती है. So like the pictures, like someone had put the USA वाला flag on the moon, right? So she said कि ना if it was real, then the flag should not have been able to like stick to the moon because there's very minimum gravity.
that also, and the flag was actually waving in the video.
Yeah, that's true. The waving, if
Yeah.
how can you wave? That's real.
Yeah, that waving is actually a bit
That's
weird.
I don't know enough about all of this to have like an opinion on it.
See, the point is,
But like
देखो,
But why
again,
would NASA want to lie?
we have
What is
also
NASA gaining?
we have satellites that actually go around the Earth 24/7, and that's actually true. If somebody doesn't believe in satellites, bro, Google Maps. Anyways, you have satellites, right?
नहीं, okay.
But like, even if the moon landing was faked, don't you believe कि अब जाके एक real कर लेते? Considering they have the technology, they didn't because they
Another thing
actually had the moon landing in the first place.
Another thing is, what would NASA get out of faking it? They've been working so hard to do this exact
they would
thing.
get, they
No,
could
they would
actually get a lot. They could get
They would
investment.
get a lot.
They would get
Yeah.
publicity.
Investment.
They'd get.
Investment, publicity, government could give them
They're claiming
grants
that
for
they want
further
to
research.
for anything else.
नहीं, so okay, I'm gonna address two things in the room. पहली बात, कि people who say that if there was no gravity and you would stick it to the moon, it wouldn't have stuck. Have you ever seen like तुम लोगों को styrofoam पता है ना, उसके अंदर तुम लोग toothpick डालोगे, it's going to stick there. तो ये भी उधर भी it's gonna use the same mentality. If you put something and you properly put it in there, it's going to stick.
Or like
Secondly,
they could stab the moon.
I
But like
mean,
moon isn't styrofoam.
okay, but
If you hold a styrofoam upside down,
okay.
With a
The
toothpick
moon
in
isn't
it.
fine. The moon isn't styrofoam. The moon is. We don't know what the moon is made up of because we've never been there, no.
True.
The moon's made of ice.
Moon's made of
Yeah, this is
styrofoam.
the actual thing, the moon's wet.
The moon's where. That's okay. That's something else. But like that.
the moon's made up of construction paper.
The moon's made of cheese.
But whatever it's made up of, at some point, if you put enough force, it's going to stick there. And secondly, जो waving वाली बात है, that's also because no gravity. अगर if it had gravity, वो फौरन ही
Then
नीचे
it
गिर
would
जाता.
wave.
Like a flag जब हवा नहीं चल रही होती, वो
It would
नीचे
have
गिरा
like
हुआ होता है ना.
Because gravity cancels out velocity, सही है, in a direction. If there wasn't any gravity, आप उसे लगाओगे, the movement of actually having a flag go like this has the flag waving, and because there was no gravity, that's why it was waving. If it had gravity, it would go like this and downwards.
Moon landing was fake theorists too. We just proved it was real. Our next conspiracy
Yeah,
theory,
but-
guys.
Oh,
The
that
billion
was
like
Mark Zuckerberg is not a man.
That was cool.
He is not a person.
have you seen him drinking water? He goes like this, and then his eyes go
Have you
like
seen
that.
his face? His face is not real. And not
बात
in
है.
Poor
Maha,
Mark.
I would say the same about
God,
Corey.
yeah,
I mean,
Mark
it's not
देखने
real as
का.
well.
Have you seen that video of him in court? He's full on malfunctioning.
जो
Yeah,
बात
have
है.
you all seen that? Like that everyone is a robot.
Bro, yeah, that scene in court. You remember that guy? You remember the questions he asked him? Had him total shut down. Error 404. He just
Where?
he basically Mark Zuckerberg was in court for privacy के मसले ना. So
yeah, I
there was
remember
this
that.
guy asked him questions. He was like, "Would you like telling us where you're staying today?" He was like, "No." "Would you
Yeah,
tell us
this happened
who
to
your
him.
message in the last 24 hours?" He's like, "No."
Have you
Exactly.
all seen, have you all seen that interview where Mark Zuckerberg was in the Congress and he was getting interviewed by Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez? Total meltdown. That woman beat
Yeah.
him up. Like he couldn't answer to even one question.
But that doesn't mean he's
He was
not
probably
human.
getting a system update.
That means
doesn't
he
mean
just has
everyone feels
social
bad for
anxiety,
Mark.
man.
That doesn't
Come
mean
on,
he's
you
not
don't say
He
people
was
are
Yeah,
scared.
maybe.
भाई उसका Nokia अपडेट हो रहा था टाइम पे बेचारे को.
Nokia.
Nokia.
That was good.
We stand Nokia.
We stand Nokia. Nokia will survive anything.
Sarah just looks so done with us.
That is true.
Next conspiracy theory. We're gonna talk about aliens. We just had aliens.
Yes, aliens. I love that theory.
Can we
Acha, one thing.
clarify this? They exist, right? Everybody believes that.
क्या चीज?
They
Of course,
Yes,
aliens
I-
exist. There's no
Yeah, bro,
aliens that don't exist.
So like we all believe aliens exist,
think
right?
for yourself.
Yes.
So like, acha, so like who are we fighting against? Okay, I'll just play the devil's advocate with you guys. I don't believe
Then
aliens
you are
exist.
the devil.
I don't believe aliens exist. Change my mind. Louder with crowded.
Okay.
It's just people
How
like
can it not exist? You're aware of how big the world is, right? You're
They
aware
know
of
How big the world is?
or territory that is.
How big the
There's so
world
many
is? We're talking
How
about the
big
universe, ma'am.
is. How big
Yeah, the universe
How
is.
have you even explored past what? Concept
Okay, wait. First of all, let's start. Let's just define what aliens are. What do you think aliens are? What do you classify as aliens?
Something that's not earthlings, you know? Like things that aren't from Earth.
So we're talking
yeah. Something
plants,
that's not
animals. Don't know.
Huh. Anything that's
Okay,
living.
I believe plants
Any
might
living-
exist and bacteria, viruses.
I feel like it's selfish of us to think that it's just Earthlings in the entire universe,
Exactly.
across
Are
all
we
the
talking about the
galaxies.
observable
It's
universe?
just us. I don't think that's
Are we talking about the
Observable
observable universe or the observable universe? Okay, so देखो, why I believe beings don't exist. सही है, I believe plants might exist, bacteria and viruses. सही है. The reason I don't believe beings exist because what I classify as a being is actually like a thing with a higher level of thinking, something that can make choice, right? If there was something that could make choices in our observable universe, the universe that we have observed, so wouldn't we see actual signs of them existing,
Okay,
or couldn't
so,
they see our
here's
signs
what-
existing like satellites around places?
Here's where my favorite part of aliens comes in.
scared.
Humans are space orcs. Why would any being of higher level intelligence want to interact with us willingly? Why would they do that? Why would they ever?
We want to interact with, I'll tell you that, we want to interact with aliens. We have a higher level of thinkers. Why do you think we interact with aliens?
Okay, no. It's very bold of you to assume that compared to beings that currently might have invented space travel already, that we have the better thinking skills.
No, I'm not saying anybody has the better thinking skills. I'm just saying that both classify. You said कि aliens. What did you say exactly?
Humans are space orcs, in that we are primitive compared to what other possible beings there could be in the world.
There is a possibility, Sayya, you can't say for sure which one is higher, which one is lower without actually observing the others. Why would they want to interact with us, right? That's what you asked, Sayya. Considering that we and them are both species who could think for themselves and would be counted as species who have a higher level of thinking. We have a higher level of thinking like them. We wish to interact with aliens. We are sending signals out there in space. So yeah,
You
why
do
do you
realize
think we
we've
would want to
received
interact
one
with
as
aliens?
Yeah.
We've received a
Kaun
radio
sa?
frequency signal back in November 2013
Radios,
from space.
radio
yes.
frequencies,
Yes.
radio frequency signals होते क्या हैं?
Airwaves, okay.
I don't
Signals
know.
that go and they come back, right? If I'm not mistaken, they come
They
back.
only come
into
back
the
if
satellite.
they've
That's
been-
how we observe
If
it.
they come back if they've been received by someone.
Yeah.
You can't like if it's like a
Yeah,
wave,
they
it's
don't
like a
bounce
wave
back
in
on their own
water.
accord.
It's like a wave in water.
For
तुम-
radio
तुम पानी
for
में
radio
waste होगा ना, it'll
signals
keep
to
going.
be received. अच्छा, let's just put that theory to test. सही है? You said we received a message back. सही है? Sure, it might be distorted or whatnot. सही है?
It was quite destroyed.
Radio frequencies, in order to be received, need something to receive them from. Like our Gadi ke stations, there are radios.
We know.
There's a certain frequency for every channel, right? Now, what do you think the possibility is that another life who doesn't have the same materials that Earth has, possibly, created a radio system which tuned into our frequency and actually got our message? Like, think about that.
Okay,
That's
so
like-
You need a radio to receive a radio signal.
here's the thing. We can't assume that they don't have the same materials as us, Pele. Second of all, it's possible, completely possible that that was just a random wave. Okay? It's completely possible.
And let me tell you, अगर आवाज आ रही है,
Why
so
do you
like
always
कोई
like
कुछ
so
बोले
much?
नहीं. यार एक सेकंड कोई कुछ बोले नहीं. Yeah, you're एक second. Come on, chef.
Well, this lad just left the meeting.